It sounds like Spain. Trinidad. Hello, 11 viewers. What's up? What's up, 11 viewers? Trinidad and Tobago. So what country is Trinidad and Tobago? Oh, is that a country? Trinidad and Tobago? Talaga ba? Pinagluloko lang ako nito. Send sticker, super chat, super thanks. It's available in my comment section. Kateo. Lahat na yata ng ano rito, breakout sa Juberica. Lalasa ko na eh. Trinidad. Oh, country in the Caribbean. Wow, I like Caribbean food. Really, I really love Caribbean food. I like the salad with pita cheese, olives, yeah, black olives. Yes, in the Caribbean. Oh, okay. Island Caribbean siya. Near Venezuela. Okay. Trinidad's capital, Port of Spain. So I'm right. It's Spain. Caribbean? Trinidad and Tobago. Talaga? Tingnan ko nga sa maps to. 13 viewers. Hello, 13 viewers. Hello. Florida. Oh, malapit. Mexico, Cuba, Puerto Rico. Oh. Kasi ng Trinidad dito, tsaka Tobago. Oh, ayun. Dominican. Oh, so you're near in Florida. Right. Oh, Trinidad and Tobago. British Virgin Islands, Puerto Rico, Dominican Republic, Haiti, Cuba, Havana, Miami. You've been in Miami, the Bahamas. PK, ayan. Shout out PK, hello. Well, actually, I live here in Florida, currently. Currently, I am living here in Florida, but I'm from Philippines. So, kaya nawala ako ng ano. PK, hello PK, how are you? Join in my membership, Patreon membership or Patreon membership. Langya ka. Salamat. Ayan, salamat. Why are you saying salamat? Filipino ka ba? Ayan, shout out 8 viewers. Yan, if you want my exclusive, if you want to watch exclusive videos and photos of mine, just nudging ako. Excuse me. Yan, if you want, may tumalsik. If you want my exclusive videos, photos, ayan, just join in my Patreon membership. Guys, join in my Patreon membership. That's all. And I thank you. Mag-upload na ako. Mag-start na ako mag-upload ng video.